Hi guys, this is our first tutorial on coding and today we'll be learning some basics of HTML. Now what is HTML? HTML is a language which you can use to make your own web pages. So here is a web page which I have made. It's a simple table and you can make a lot better things with it. It has an image and a table. It tells some number of subscribers and total channel views of channels. So how do you make your own websites? Alright, so to make your own websites you need a text editor. It can be Notepad. You have Notepad in all your windows, but I prefer Notepad++. It's really cool. You can see it highlights all the codes in you. And we have to have a browser. You can use Internet Explorer, but it's not so good as compared to Google Chrome. It's very nice. I prefer Google Chrome. So to make a web page, you just take a new page, or in Notepad you can just open it right away and start typing over here, but I'll be using Notepad. So first let me set this language to HTML. Alright, now we start off by using this tag called HTML. This tag tells that it is an HTML page. Now we got /HTML, which tells where this page is ending, and this applies to all the tags which we'll see in short while. So next we use the head tag. This is the head of the whole page. These are some things which you want to hide from the user. Now in this page we got, in this tag we got title. What is this title? This you see demo page is written here. The title is similar. You just type, let's say, tutorial page. Alright, and /title, and then we go here body. Now this body is the most important tag because all our content goes into this tag only. So let's start off with a very simple tag P, which stands for paragraph. So we'll write something in here that we are learning HTML, and then go /p. Now we have this page ready. It will have this sentence when we try to run it. So first we will save it. You can use Ctrl S. I'll press the save button. You can name it such as tutorial page .html. .html is really important. Now we are saving it on a file folder called html on the desktop, and we click the save button. Now we can use run and launch in Chrome. So here we have it. Now we can add more bits and bobs to it. So let's get started. So first of all we have the head h1. H1 stands for heading 1. Then we have to close it /h1. And similarly we got h2, h3, h4 until h6. Now these things tell some of the basic sizes of the font you want to put in. Let's say head H-E-A-D, yeah, head. What happened here? Well, yeah. Now let's see. I'll just copy this thing here and paste it in between all of these tags, and we're gonna save it and run it over here. So here you see the difference. Now let's go with the center tag. So suppose you want these all things to be in the center, then we use the center tag until the stuff you want to be centered. Like if we want this thing not to be centered and all these of these to be in the center, so we'll put it over here /center. Right, we're gonna save that, and here we have it. Now if you put center over here, this will also come here, but it's up to you. Now we'll be taking a look at the BR. BR stands for break. So imagine we got a paragraph here, and then another paragraph here, let's and there's another paragraph here. It says awesome, and then we have /b here. Now we're gonna save that and run it. Now you see it comes like this, but I want more space between I and M, so I can use a BR tag. It does not need to be closed like /BR. It's nothing, doesn't stand anything. Yeah, it's an empty tag. Now we're gonna save that and see its result. See, you can add as many as you want. BR, you know, just keep on reloading and it'll be different. Now next thing we're gonna look at is some formatting tags. So let's take a nice paragraph. Let's say I saw the elephant in the zoo, and then yeah. So now I want this elephant to be bold, so I can use a B tag, which stands for bold, of course. I'm gonna save that, and here we have it. Look at this, elephant is big. And over here I want this zoo to be italic, then I can use I, of course it stands for italic, and use /I, and you reload it. Hey, from where does M come? Hey. Alright, there we have it. Now I want this to be underlined. I can use the U tag, which stands for underline. I'm gonna save that and run it. There we go. Now we're gonna take a look at the font tag. So I want, let's say I have another of this paragraph. I have written I am going to YouTube, and then I think it does not make any sense, but yeah, for tutorial's sake we're gonna use a font tag here, and of course a /font here. Now in this tag we're gonna add some attributes to it, that means some extra things like color. We want this thing to be written in green color. I'm gonna save that and reload it. There you go. You can use any color you want. Let's go for red. Yeah, you can use whatever you want. I'll go for pink right now. Yeah. Let's end it up with light green. Yeah man, there are millions of colors, you know. Now we're gonna add a face tag, font face. This is the name of the font you want to use for this paragraph or whatever you want. I'll go for Comic Sans and this. Save that. There you go. Now there are a lot of more of them, and you can always download more. Let's go for area. Save that. There you go. And now we have the now we have the A tag. A stands for anchor. You can make links with this thing. So let's start with A, href. This means the place you want your users to take to. I'll go for http://youtube.com, and I'll say take me to YouTube. That's /a, and we save that, and then we'll have this thing over here. When you click it, it should open YouTube. And there we have it. And yeah, we can put images over here also, although I'll teach you later. And you can just change these links to any other website or any other website which you have made. It depends on you. Now we're gonna take a look how to insert images. There's a tag called img. Now from where is it? Where are you taking it? That means source src, and then we close it like this, the bracket over here. Now you're gonna enter a source to it. So let's find an image. I'll go right here, and I've got some images over here. Document, there. Let's go for this thing. So we're gonna click here, copy this thing, and over here we're gonna paste it, and there its name is sky.jpg. We can save that, and now when we run it, what the hell? Now run it. There we go. Now it's too big. You can set its size by using some more attributes. What happened? Let's maximize this thing. Here, let's go for width is equal to, say, 500, and its height is equal to, I'll go for 400. You can put whatever you want in both of them, of course. There you go, it's resized. Now you can go from almost 1. It's up to you. Let's see what happens with 1.1. Oh my god. Is it an image? It's so funny. Oh my god. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this tutorial. This was a very basic tutorial. Yeah, you can have more advanced tutorial. You can use more languages into it, like CSS, to make the web pages look a lot more better. Yeah, this is also simple HTML, but it uses a stable thing over here. And yeah, thanks for watching, and please be sure to subscribe, and yeah, like it if you want.